Hello, one and all, and welcome to something new. We've got a new show to round up the latest updates to Radical over the past few days and weeks. This is a bit experimental, so expect to see some changes in how we do things, and we'll be keeping an eye out for your feedback and comments. And, well, let's get into it. Kicking us off with a round of AI updates. We've updated our AI for Core to 4.1.1, and that has been rolled out to everyone. To update, simply navigate to your core clips and you should see an update button. Press it and it will begin reprocessing your clips and creating a 4.1.1 version. It is really that simple. This update offers more stability, bug fixes, accuracy and consistency, and it should look better with the more tricky motions. Live has been automatically updated, so you do not need to do anything to your live rooms. A couple of new features we've been working on and have started rolling out. For starters, have you guys seen our new asset library? We've been hearing your requests and we have radically improved and updated the asset library. This is a full rework and helps organize your imported and uploaded work with smart tagging and bespoke bins to help keep you organized, your space neat and tidy. We've still got work to do and many more features and improvements planned for it. So stick around, and if you have any suggestions yourself, let us know on our Discord. Along with the new asset library, we've included a large number of high quality assets, which are game ready and optimized for your Canvas projects. This has been a huge endeavor from the Canvas team and the art director. We've got more to come and we'll be taking your suggestions on what packs to include in future revisions. Along with the new asset packs, we've got some new and updated tools to help you optimize and change the level of detail, or LODs if you're one of the cool kids, of your assets. This is an automatic feature that you don't need to enroll, and it's available in high, medium, low, and off. And if you don't notice any difference, well, that's the point. This should help with your performance game within your Canvas projects. Finally, we've got some handy new help pages through the how-to guide. Something quick and easy for you to get started, simple directions, and easy to follow. We'll be adding more and monitoring for feedback. We've done a round of bug squashing as expected, and amongst the various small improvements and stability fixes, we've addressed two important things. For starters, we've caught wind of a bug within Core regarding portrait footage that once processed has removed heads and feet. We've adjusted the cropping, so now it won't decapitate or amputate your feet. Sorry about that. Finally, we've made improvements to the various loading states while entering a canvas, adding assets and moving around. We've also introduced loading cards to help illustrate this. This should help for when your PC feels like it's locked up and not responding when it's actually loading something. Finally, a couple of events for you coming up. The first is an Unreal webinar hosted by Elena Dimipoulou, an Unreal teacher from Greece, and she started a course to teach Unreal Engine and animation. We've partnered with her to bring Radical into her curriculum. We have a webinar on Thursday the 7th of August, and you can sign up using the link in the description to get a preview of the course. I'll be there as well, and I'll be taking your acting suggestions for your entertainment. I'm also doing something else. I'll be hosting a very casual Build With Me style stream on the 12th of August right in our community Discord. It'll be a very chill stream. And I'll even take suggestions from people if they give it. It's set up for an hour, but it may go longer and it may go shorter. It'll be an event right within our community channel, and you can register your interest now. And that's it for our news show this week. This is still super experimental and things may change between episodes, so give us your feedback. Join our Discord, give us feedback, join the live stream, join the webinar, and hopefully I'll see you around. Take care.